Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now today I am doing a very quick and simple snack. It's a lunchtime favourite of mine. I'm doing beans on toast Italian style. First of all, I'm going to put a good tablespoon, just over a tablespoon of olive oil into a frying pan. And when it's heated up on a medium heat, I'm going to put a finely chopped red onion. Mix it around, let it soften. And I'm going to add some salt and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. We're just looking for this onion to soften. And then next I'm going to put in 1 clove of garlic, chopped up, and half a tin of tomatoes. I think it's 227 gram tin of tin tomatoes. Mix them all and let them cook down. If it looks a little dry, I've just added a wee splash of dry white wine. Yeah, just cook it all in. Get the rawness out of the tomatoes. And then add a few small sprigs of rosemary and a 400 gram tin of cannellini beans. Give it a good stir. And when it's ready, we'll put it to one side. And this has only taken a few minutes. It hasn't taken a long time at all. And now we're going to make the toast. Now you can make the toast whichever way you want, but I'm going to cook it on this griddle pan. It's best to get some crusty bread, sourdough or whatever you can get hold of. And when it's toasted on both sides, we're ready to finish off the dish. And to do that, I'm going to get half a clove of garlic and just rub it lightly over the toasted bread. It just adds a little extra bit of flavour. And then give it a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And then it's just a case of placing the beans over the bread. Now in this recipe there's probably enough bean mixture for about 4 slices of bread. And then just decorate it with some extra sprigs of rosemary. And there you have it. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care my friends, peace, love, and I'll see you soon.